0 with the 1 with the 0. Okay. Now here present state is what? Double 1 0. What we have derived? Triple 1. So what happens? Next state I have reached called as triple 1. Okay. So here is with what latency? 1. Okay. Permissible latency is 1. Next, why we should not continue triple 1? Why we should not continue triple 1? Because triple 1 does not consist of 0. So no need to continue. Is it clear? No need to continue. If we have one algorithm, please listen. If we don't have 0, then we have to perform what? Highest latency. Highest latency is with the original CV. Original CV is what? Always remember. Original CV is 100 only. That means 100. 100 with the highest latency. That means 4 latency. 4 latency means what? See, 1 1 1. Okay. Right shift by 1 time. Double 1 0. 2 times 0 0 1. 3 times 0 0 0. 4 times 0 0 0. See, if we do more than 4 or 5 bits or 6 bits, always what we will get is 000. Is it clear? So now, for a triple one as a present state, please remember this present state is triple 1. During this, okay. Now I am doing 4 or more than 4 latency. Okay. So now, what is the CV for that also? It is always 100. Means 100. What is the 4 time latency of triple 1 is 000. Hence, what I get is 100. 100. If triple 1 is a present state, with latency of 4, where I will reach 100. If present state is triple 1 with a latency of 4 or more, where I will reach is 100. Hence, I have got a 1 loop back. Is it clear now? Okay, fine. So now, coming back for the next stage. Case 2. Why we have PL2 is because here I have mentioned permissible latency is 2. That means what? Again, start from initial state. What is initial state? 100. Okay. So 100 is CV. Also, it is a present state. It is a collision vector as well as present state. So take 100 on the top. Okay. Now for present state, how many right shift we have to this? What is the permissible latency of this case? 2. That means what? See, 2 times I have to shift. So let me write in a big font. 2 times shifting. If I write here 1 time, if I write here 2 times. So that means what? 1 0 0. 2 zeros are removed, 2 zeros are inside. So what is the value? 1 0 1. That is what? OR operation. So I will write now original CV 100. Okay. So present state is also CV. That means both are same initially. So now PL times right shift. That means 0 0 1. Perform logical OR. You will get 1 Okay. So now if 100 is a present state with the latency of 2. With the latency of 2, where we have reached is 101, which is the next state. Okay, which is a next state. Next, after this, do we have 0 here? Yes. Okay, so if we have a 0, we have to continue that. That means this becomes present state. Okay, this becomes present state. So what is the present state now? 101. Take original CV. What is the original CV? 100. Perform. Where is the 0 present? That is in the 2 position. Also, luckily we are in the permissible latency of 2 also. So 101 should be right shifted 2 times. So what I will get? Right shifted 2 times means 1 is removed, 0 is removed. This one will be LSB. So 2 new zeros. Hence I will get value again, which is called as repeat. That means what? 101 over 2, it will give us 101 over 2 will give us what? See, 101 over 2 will give us repetition of 101. Next, okay. So now we should not go for latency 4. Why? Because there are no highest value called as 111, 4 times 1, 5 times 1. We have somewhere 0. So that means what, we cannot perform 2 latency, 4 latency. 4 latency is added by extra step in the algorithm, which is given by the author. Okay, next. Now come for case 3, that is permissible latency 4. Permissible latency 4 I have already discussed. Let me give again. What is the original first state? 100. Okay, that always remember, at initial of any case, CV is equal to present state. But as we progress, CV differs and present state differs. Okay. Now, what is CV? 100. So now, this is itself CV, this is itself present state. So on this present state, perform 4 times right shift. See, 100. 1 time right shift means 010. 2 times right shift, 3 times right shift, 4 times right shift. That gives us 000. So now you perform the logical OR. What we will get here? 100. So that means what? The same set. Okay. No need to perform continue here. No need to continue here because we are getting one advantage from present state to initial state itself. Okay. So if we continue, what happens? See, what is this 100? Where 100 has the zeros in one position, 2 position. So one position means what? See, 100 to one position, you will reach 110. In one more zero is what? 2 position. You will reach where? 10. The continuously we have we will get the same state. Now after this there is one very important extra step, that okay, this is you can put it as double square, because it is a starting state like your FFL concept. Okay, so you can put, imagine this is the initial state. Now what all are remaining states? 110, 111 and 10. Now from this, now what we have to do is 110 with the highest latency, 111 with the highest latency, and 101 with the highest latency. Highest latency means what? 4 plus 5, 4 plus 4 plus. 4 plus means 4 or more than 4. Okay. So now, see now, very important. 111 with the 4 already defined towards what? 100. Now what is not yet defined? See here I will write, that is 100. Okay. Now 2 things are not yet defined. 110 with the 4 plus, 101 with the 4 plus. These should be externally included in the diagram by the developer. That 110 with the 4 plus, we have to assume it back to original state. That means double circle state. So next, what is one more state remaining? 110. That also we have to include as extra from our side. Means without logic we have to include these edges in the diagram. So now this is called state diagram. I repeat in a short time. How we will identify permissible latency? Those many cases you prepare. First time CV is equal to present state. For CV, for present state, perform permissible latency times right shift. For CV and shifted present state, perform logical OR. You will get a number. In that number where 0 is present, identify and take that number as a present state. Keep original CV as it is. For the present state, perform where that 0 is present, those many number of right shift and get a new state. Perform OR. Similar for all the cases. Okay. So now we have got the state diagram. Okay. So fifth point is completed. Okay. Now I think you understood what is the difficulty of getting state diagram. Okay. Now let's continue for another 15 minutes. We will finish off this answer. Okay. Now simple cycles. Simple cycles means wherever we will start from some state and we will reach same state. See now, cycle in the sense what? 4. Cycle in the sense 4. Okay. Now I am writing simple cycles. Okay. First cycle is 4. Next cycle is what? 2. Okay. These are called one edge simple cycles. Now two edge simple cycles. See, 1, 4. Two edge simple cycles. 1, 4. Here 1, 4. Next. Here 1, 2, 4. Two edge simple cycles. 2, 4. Next. We don't have this. Can you see? We don't have edge and here. Okay. So that finishes. One edge is done. Two edges are done. Now three edge cycles. 1, 1, 4. 1, 1, 4. Here I write 1, 1, 4. These are called as simple cycles. Simple cycles. Okay. Now you do one oral arithmetic to find out greedy cycles. Greedy cycles. How to calculate greedy cycles is 1. Here add some symbols divided by number of symbols. Okay. Here only I will do. Then you can easily get it. How many symbols are here? 3. Hence denominator is 3. What is numerator? 1 plus 1 plus 4. So 1 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Here, what is next? 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 divided by 2, answer is 3. Here, 1 plus 4 divided by 2, answer is 2 and half. What is the answer? 2 is only symbol, hence 2 divided by 1, which is a 2. Next, 4. There is only one symbol, hence it is a 4. From this set, take the smallest value. See, 4, 2, 2 and half, 3, 2. Take smallest value 2. What are those representing cycles? We have 2. What are those? One is 2, another one is 1, 1, 2. So now, how to calculate greedy cycles? First greedy cycle 2, second greedy cycle 1, 1, 4. First greedy cycle is 2 and the second greedy cycle is 1, 1, 4. Okay. Now, so we have calculated, we have shown simple cycles as well as greedy cycles. Now, minimal average latency. Minimal average latency. Okay. So this is already you did, but anyway we have to do with the heading of minimal average latency. Okay. Write all the simple cycles vertically. 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4. These all are greedy cycles. Sorry, simple cycles. Now, what is the minimum average latency? Minimum average latency. As I did, 4, there is only one symbol, hence 4 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1. Here it is 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Divided by 2, hence it is 2 and half. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is 6. Divided by 3, that is 2. From this scale, what is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest. Hence, we write MAL as 2. MAL as 2. The same value which we have used to identify greedy cycles from the set of simple cycles, that itself will become MAL. Minimal average latency. And now comes last concept, throughput. Okay. So now, how to calculate the throughput? Now they have given 20 nanoseconds. Okay, 20 nanoseconds as a tau. Tau means what? Each cycle. Okay, so now to calculate throughput, we have to do MAL into 20 nanoseconds. MAL into 20 nanoseconds, which is a time. Okay, that is pipeline clock time. MA is what? 2 into 20 nanoseconds. That means 40 nanoseconds. Okay. So now it is one important statement I will do. For every 40th nanosecond, we will get one sample as output. One sample as output. Okay, now what is the last calculation? Last calculation is throughput. Throughput is equal to 1 divided by the frequency, that is called as 40 nanoseconds. Okay. So here it is 1 divided by 40 into 10 to the power of minus 9 because it is nanoseconds, which we will get approximately as 10 to the power plus 9 divided by 40. 10 to the power plus 9 divided by 40. So to elaborate, 1000 into 10 to the power 6 whole divided by 40. Okay. So let's cancel a 0. So we got 100 divided by 4, which is equal to 25. 6 is called as million. 10 to the power 6 is million. Since it is a throughput, instructions per second. This will be the last value to be calculated. Okay. So the problem is difficult, not a difficult. It is very elaborated algorithm. Okay. So because of this, please practice the program or the problem. I will try to find out 1 or 2 problems from the question paper and try to post a solution. Okay. Thank you.